WordPress SEO Yoast tutorial 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to build an online business. So let's get started. So basically this is my WordPress dashboard. So I would show you how to install WordPress and configure it, and it's very easy guys. First of all, it's very easy, and I'm going to show you everything, and also I'm going at the end of the video, if you stay till the end, I have a free bonus, and also I'm going to show you how you could rank your blog post and get a lot of traffic, maybe 1000 visitors per day. So all you have to do is first click on add new, just type Yoast, press enter, install now, and we are going to install Yoast in just 1 minute. Activate. Once it's activate, click on plugins again, or what you could do is very simple. On the left hand side you could see SEO, click over here. Just going to close all the tabs. Okay, and then all you have to do is your first time SEO configuration. Click over here. I'm going to make my face small so you could see the screen. So once this is done, say yes if your site is ready and live. It's a blog, click next. I'm a person, choose the person's name. So for me it's Yavar Khan, click next. Yes, everything as default. If you have multiple authors you can select yes, but for now I'm selecting no. Click next. Your website name, write your website name over here and select the separator. Click next. That's it guys. Congratulations. If you want to find out more about SEO you could watch the videos, but I will show you each and everything. Very simple. Click next. Congratulations guys, you have installed Yoast. Now there is one important setting which you need to do, is register your website with Google. So basically submit your sitemap to Google Webmaster Tool. Sounds really technical, but it's very easy. First thing is come on SEO general features, click on XML. You see this question mark, make sure everything is on. Click over here. So this is your sitemap. So basically sitemap is, this is how Google sees your website. Okay, this is like a hierarchy of your website. So this is how Google knows that this is your page, this is your post and everything. So now just keep this page on. So you could see sitemap underscore index.xml. Go on Webmaster Tool, click on Google verification code. So just click over here. You need to log in with your Gmail ID. So which I've already logged in. Click on HTML tag, copy the whole thing. This is the verification. Come back over here, Google verification, save changes. So there is WordPress. For me WordFence is installed, but then I'm gonna go back, save changes again. So go back again, just do this and this. So just paste this thing over here and save changes, and then I'm done. It says it's saved. Click verify. If you click verify, it will get verified. So that's it. Now my website is verified. Congratulations again. So this is it. Now I'm going to show you how to write a blog post. Okay, so someone who's starting really new, don't have to make it really complicated. Okay, don't make it complicated at all if you're starting new. So let's say your example is your website is about how to make money online, or for example how to monetize your blog. If you want to write a post about that, it's very simple. Go on google.com, then ways to monetize your website. Don't make it complicated. There's a free tool called Uber Suggest. It's a free keyword tool. Okay, very simple. Okay, don't make it complicated. I'm going to show you how to do it. copy your keyword, whatever you're going to write about, monetize a website, just search on Uber Suggest. Once this is done, okay, you can sign in with Google to get more keyword suggestions, and please do that. As you could see, this is getting 480 per month. Okay, so that is less. I would suggest, get at least more than 500. Okay, so I would say keyword ideas, so it will give you more keyword ideas. So how to monetize a website, and you see, make sure SD is SEO difficulty. How difficult is it to rank? If the lower the number, the better it is. But then if I take 7, it's the most easiest to rank. But look at this, the search results are only 10, so that means in a month only 10 people are searching this, so you don't want that. So I would say how to monetize a website. Copy this thing. Okay, best way, just go on Google, type over here how to monetize a website, writing a new blog post, click your focus key phrases, how to monetize a website, edit snippet. So this is how your website would look. So if I go on Google, so you see this thing, so this is how it shows a preview over here. Paste the slug, how to monetize a website. Okay, once, and then how to monetize a website, just save draft right now. Okay, so already your focus keyword is how to monetize a website, and then even your URL is how to monetize a website. Just copy the same thing over here, 33 proven ways to monetize a website. Copy the same thing or open it up. Okay, go back, open 2-3 websites, the top ones. Don't use this one because it says ad. Take 2-3 of them. Okay, 33 ways to monetize a website, 20 simple methods to make money with a website, how to monetize a website. You see 10 ways on how to monetize a website. So you could say 10 proven ways to monetize a website. So I can say 10 proven ways how to monetize a website. Save draft again, and make sure your URL is your keyword. Very simple, guys. Okay, now, and then it's very simple. If I go back on Google again, as you could see over here, you see become an affiliate marketer, sign up for Google AdSense. Why is it coming over here? So Google loves rich snippets. So what is basically rich snippet? So guys, it's very easy. I'll show it to you in one. Just understand how Google works, and then you could just own it. So you see everything's over here. How is it showing over here? If I go on this website, first of all, it's taking a lot of time to load. So that's the reason you need to use Bluehost. 70% discount, link in the description. It's the best web hosting. But over here it shows totally different. Over here it shows totally different. How is it possible? Over here it shows become an affiliate marketer, sign up with Google AdSense, but I can't see something over here. So basically I use this extension, Chrome extension called SEO Meta, which I could fit over here. Yeah, so if I go over here on headers, you see this is the same thing which is showing on Google, affiliate marketing, pay-per-click advertisement. Go back on Google, become an affiliate marketer, sign up for Google AdSense, click over here again, headers, affiliate marketer, sell your own digital, pay-per-click advertisement, Google AdSense, sell ad space, sell your own digital products, sell your own digital products. So this is how you need to write your blog post. So for example, okay, I'm just giving you an example. Your H2 tag would be 5 fruits I eat. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, heading 2, this would be what heading 2. Okay, or let's say you're and then come down, apple, mango, banana. Okay, make this heading 3, make this heading 3, heading 3, spelling is wrong, mango, Okay, banana, make this heading 3. Okay, and then write something over here about it, write something here about it, write something here about it. So basically, or what you could do, 10 proven ways to monetize a website. So basically what you could do is, I'll show you now. Delete everything. So as you could see, pay per click, this is H2. Come over here, H2. Okay, write something over here. Okay, and then again something, paste it over here. I'm just going to duplicate it. Can I duplicate here? Suppose down. Okay, this would be 2 something else, paper. Okay, and that would be online course. Okay, write something over here. Sorry for the keyboard noise, but you know, 3 4 5 6 at 1 2 images. So there's one website called Unsplash. So this is a website where you get free images which you could use. You could say monetize blog, you could say blog. See, you can download, and these are high resolution images. You could download it for free, guys. So that's it, guys. So this is how you write a blog post. See what your competitors are doing on Google, follow the same thing, and also make sure, 1 minute, go back, meta description, right? Go back, copy something from here. Okay, come over here. You can change a little. Earn money online for free. Find out. Then proven ways. Like something which is, and don't copy paste. Google is gonna give you penalty, so make sure you start paraphrasing it. Just write something very different, and it will take you only 10-15 minutes. Okay, and just write it down, and boom, you have a really good article about it. Okay, so that's it. And there's another way. What you could do is copy this website, come on Uber suggest, paste the website, and you could see how much searches are they getting, and also you could see the top posts they made and their keywords. Website, how to build, website builder. Okay, so this is how they are ranking for the keyword. Okay, so imagine you could start ranking for these keywords as well, and the way I told you. And also I have a free bonus for you. So guys, I have created a course on how to build your brand. So it's just loading right now. The link is down below. It's a course where I teach you how to get thousands of visitors, techniques to make your blog post go viral, how to rank in top search results in Google. Very simple. And I think so currently I'm offering $7 because I just made this course. I'm going to make it much more better, and currently it's $7 and it's going to go to $100. So go and check it out. The link is down below, and thanks for watching, and I would see you in the next video.